Welcome back sa ating channel and we are here back in the studio para pag-usapan ang ating recent event. So this is the Deepcool factory tour in China. So it's a first-hand experience to see how beautiful, how advanced, and yes, grabe, ganun pala mag-manufacture ang Deepcool. Their facility is so big and there are a lot of fun fact na hindi ko in-expect that Deepcool is the brand behind those brands. Brands. Tama ba? Brand. Ewan ko kung ilang brand yung nakita ko doon. Anyway, that's it guys. And yes, pag-uusapan natin ang ating Deepcool factory experience. And for more videos like this, feel free to subscribe. This video is brought to you by SCDKey, the best website that you may visit in terms of very affordable deals and best offer para sa application softwares, games, and yes, operating system. And there you are, you may check the Windows 10 Pro and by using our promo code, ma-avail mo lang siya ng around $14.95 or 700 plus pesos. That's it mga kaibigan, check the description below. May mga links po tayo dyan to go directly sa kanilang website. So ayun nga, we went to China last March and the video is a bit a month after, since after China there are a lot of errands pa na pinuntahan, and here I am to share to you kung ano yung naging experience natin, what did we found out doon sa ating experience na pumunta talaga tayo sa mismong factory kung saan ginagawa ang mga casing, ginagawa ang mga coolers, fans, etc. Ang dami nilang product line and papaano ginagawa talaga ang mga ganitong klase ng components that we usually see with our components, pero syempre as a finished product na. So nakita natin yung behind the scene. Grabe. Iba talaga yung naging feeling na yung mismong andun ka at nakikita mo yung process. So yes, we go to the factory of Deepcool and grabe yung experience. Actually, hindi lang naman ako yung pumunta doon. I'm with IT World, ECPC, a lot of media, of course, Hardware Sugar, my roommate, Sir Anton. Okay, si Sir Anton ang aking nakasama day and night. Also a computer store owner. At the same time, syempre, idol natin siya. Napakagaling attorney Anton is very articulate and sobrang bilib na bilib ako sa kanya. This is hands down. Even before na magkasama kami, there was a video back then na pinapanood ko talaga sila and hindi ko napigilan yung yung the fun mode feeling. Nag-comment ako kasi ang galing. Even his brother, dalawa sila. So yung mga store, PC Bulacan, of course, Sir Louie, shoutouts sa kanila mag-asawa. PC Logic of Pampanga, I'm also with them. And Thinking Tools ng Cebu, a lot of advices, especially in terms of business, ang shinare din sa atin ng ating, kumbaga, ayun, seasoned decades running ng Thinking Tools. So, ayun, we went to a lot of museums, so the trip is not actually about Deepcool factory tour lang. Ang daming trip na nangyari, going to museums, going to a lot of restaurants na sobrang, high-end. And yeah, also celebrated my special day sa isa sa mga restaurant. And thank you, Sir Marvin. Thank you, Ma'am Kimi. I didn't expect that extra special experience. And syempre, hindi naman siya kasama sa itinerary. So, I'm so overwhelmed. Medyo napaluha nga din tayo ng konti. Si Sir Tommy talaga eh. Si Tommy Padal, shout out. Siyempre, siya yung ating photographer. Pag may mga pinupuntahan, Tommy, pa-pic. Ikaw na bahalang mag-picture. Oh, ayan, si Sir Tommy. Tapos dami kong utang sa kanya. Pero grabe, ang ganda ng place. We went to Huizhou, I don't know kung paano siya ipopronounce. Foshan, Guangzhou. Yun yung mga places na pinuntahan namin. And yes, grabe yung treatment na pinaranas sa amin ng Deepcool. Ang daming hotel accommodations ang binook. Parang in every place na pupuntahan namin, parang may accommodations dito. So you will be staying at this hotel, this 5-star hotel, then next 5-star hotel ulit. Ganun yung naging setup. So ayun, yung iba pang details, balikan natin yan mamaya. Let's go ahead and proceed sa mismong Deepcool Factory Tour. So yung Deepcool Factory Tour, we are welcome at their compound factory. It's a compound with a lot of buildings na kumbaga doon ginagawa. Like at this building, dito yung mga accommodation ng lahat ng employees na nag-work sa Deepcool. At this building, dito naman nangyayari yung process na to. At this building, ginagawa dito yung process ng coolers, R&D. So, I don't know how many floors yung mga building na yun. Basta, ang naalala ko, maraming buildings at isang compound siya, yung mismong Deepcool factory. And yes, it's the Deepcool factory. Hindi pa ito yung Deepcool. This is on a separate province. And hindi lang kami yung nandun. We are also with some Australian media content creators and dealers. Same with New Zealand. Nandun din sila. So, NZ, AU, at saka PH. Yung mga magkakasama nung time na yun. So, there's a small event, a dinner party to welcome us, and factory tour. So, pumunta kami from the processing of manufacturing those parts ng CPU coolers, like yung mga pipes, yung mga fins. Doon kami nagsimula. Step by step, going to another floor, up to the packaging. And ayun, sa start ng tour, nakita namin, grabe, ganun pala ginagawa. How they set the equipments, machines to manufacture those parts. Yung mga temperature setting, kung paano nila i-test, the pipes. It's very technical. May mga tolerance, etc. Temperature setting, dapat nami-meet na itong standard na to, dapat nami-meet itong parameters na to. Nakaset lahat yun sa mga machines. And sobrang na-appreciate ko siya kasi medyo naiintindihan ko yung process. Yung pagkakat, gaano kapino, gaano ka-accurate, yung consistency ng mga clearance, talagang very, very consistent siya. At the same time, followed by a lot of vacuum rooms, controlled rooms, kung saan ginagawa yung mga testing na yun, hindi na kami pwedeng pumasok. As a tourist, as a visitor, hindi kami pwede nang pumasok sa mga rooms na yun. Pero still, pinasilip nila sa amin yung bintana, at least to have an access or at least to have an idea how do they set up controlled environment testing area. And now, moving on, yun, pumunta kami sa mga casing, yan. And then fans, molding, yung mga machines na gumagawa ng mga plastic moldings. And ayun, before ako pumunta sa Deepcool, since this is my first time to do a factory visit. Well, back then, nagtrabaho na rin naman ako sa mga factories. And I have a lot of experience viewing factories around the Cavite area. Part ng factory na napansin ko na maraming tao talaga ang involved is doon sa part ng yung mga kailangan na lang ng human intervention. Like yung mag-add na sila ng mga accessories doon sa mga fans, like LED strip sa mga fans. Yun na lang yung mga nakita ko, yung mga nagsusolder. So maraming mga employees. And then sa may packaging area, doon ako medyo mas nakapansin. And at the same time, doon sa final testing and sealing. Doon. Kadalasan doon ko na nakita yung mas maraming employees, or I may say assembly area, testing area, and packaging area, yung mas nakikita ko na maraming employees na nagtatrabaho. Well, maybe I'm so outdated na talaga. Hindi na kasi ako nakaka-visit ng mga factory. Pero ayun, sa mismong manufacturing, mostly na nakita ko talaga are machines. Yung mga operators parang bibihira pa. Like out of 3 to 5 machines or equipments, iisa lang yung operator. So, sabi ko, okay, talagang pinapalitan na ng mga machines yung iba. Baka sa susunod nga, AI na lahat eh. Kung may mga tao na lang siguro is maintenance or repair or technician. Pero I don't know, a lot of you guys are maybe OFWs working in a lot of manufacturing or factories. So, enlighten me na ganun na talaga ang sistema sa mga factory. Kung may mga masasabi man ako dito sa experience na to, sa mismong factory ng Deepcool is nagulat ako kung gaano kalaki yung factory. Deepcool back then, like 10 years ago, they are just entry-level brand. Mostly, kilalang Deepcool noon, mga X-fan. Sila yung mga nag-introduce ng mga unang may mga LED na mga fans na mas nag-mainstream pero budget lang, mura lang siya. So, yung Deepcool X-fan talagang pumatok noon. Doon unang nakilala ang Deepcool as far as I know. Okay, 10 years ago. And kung i-compare natin yung branding nila dati, parang kung i-imagine mo, they're just a small company. Pero hindi ko in-expect na grabe yung progress and grabe yung laki ng facility ng Deepcool. And another thing na nagulat ako is in-house. Diba? Other coolers, especially AIOs, Acetec, or other manufacturers, sa kanila in-house. I actually have previous colleagues who worked with me before, and he is now working in California, one of the biggest parang competitor ng Origin PC, iBuy Power. Nasabi nga niya sa akin na, grabe, ang Deepcool pala ganito. Sila na mismo yung nagmamanufacture ng kanilang mga pump, lahat-lahat. Talagang in-house pala lahat yung mga yun. Akala namin ina-outsource nila yung mga yun. And you have heard brands like NZXT, Corsair, or other mainstream brands, ina-outsource nga nila yung pump niya. Pero with Deepcool, in-house yun. Kaya nga nagulat ako kasi even heat pipes, di ba? Kaya, ayun. So yung experience informed me that almost 99% siguro ng process ng pag-manufacture ng mga coolers is within the Deepcool facility. Tapos, ayun. Sabi ko kanina, di ba? Some brands are outsourcing their pump. Nagulat din ako doon. Merong isang brand doon that is, hindi ko na lang babanggitin kasi baka mamaya, syempre, may NDA, non-disclosure agreement sila between Deepcool and that brand. Nakita ko, ba't may packaging ng ganito dito? Ang dami talagang naka-crate. Yun pala, Deepcool is also the manufacturer of that brand. Wow! So, ibig sabihin, yung mga bumibili ng ganito na product na gumagastos sila ng 8,000, 10,000. Tapos, pagdating sa Deepcool, yung counterpart niya nasa 4,000, 5,000. Deepcool lang pala yun. So, kaya pala mas mura si Deepcool. Pero yun, hindi naman natin may kakaida. Siyempre, since si Deepcool yung may capacity to do it, to manufacture it, pinapagawa na lang sa Deepcool. So, still within that standard ng company na yun. So, hindi naman ibig sabihin nun is Deepcool design or quality standards. So, siyempre, iba pa rin naman. Pero it's just shocking that yun pala is hindi pala sila ang nagmamanufacture. Kaya medyo mas mahal at mas premium nga din yung pricing nila. Hindi lang dahil mas premium silang brand, mas pioneer sila sa high-end, pero the point is hindi rin kasi sila yung mismong in-house na nagmamanufacture. Pinapa-manufacture lang din with brands like Deepcool. Kaya ayun. And yes, yung ma-witness mo yung R&D and how they do the testing ng mga prototypes before siya mapunta sa mass production. Nilalagay nila sa isang environment, nilalagay nila sa isang room, parang talagang extreme testing, pina-power on nila yung mismong product ng ganitong amount of time. So, napakatagal na testing muna bago nila gagawin yung final product, gathering data, how was this product, gaano siya katibay, gaano siya ka-durable, ano yung temperature niya talaga, ano yung benchmark niya, paano yung variation from this month to this month, day to day, month to month. I don't know how they do it. Hindi na masyado na-disclose lahat yung mga yon. Pero nung nakita ko at pinasok ko yung room, grabe, galing. Talagang nag-i-invest si Deepcool sa R&D, sa research. Kung pagsama-samahin ko lahat yung nakita ko for the testing, R&Ds, etc., parang 3 floors ng almost 500 square meter area. Parang ganun yata yung pagkakaalala ko. Basta ganun, mga ganung kalalaking area yung mga nakita ko. Na mostly ang ginagawa doon is testing. Ito is sama-sama na, even doon sa final product. So, yeah. Na-amaze lang ako. Na fanboy mode ako talaga doon sa pagpunta ko. And sobrang natuwa ako. Actually, I will be going into more details, bit by bit, about my experience sa Deepcool when I will be talking with a lot of Deepcool products. May share ko naman yan. So this is a general experience video. So ayaw ko naman masyadong maging mahaba para sa inyo guys. Kaya abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod kong video. Then I will be sharing it to you. When I was at Deepcool, nakita ko to and this is how they do this and how they do that. So doon ko na lang mas mababanggit pa yung mas mga detailed na part ng experience ko. Anyway guys, that's my experience and hopefully you like it also. And ayun, supportahan natin yung brand na Deepcool. Apart from providing us different options from for the back coolers up to fans and casings, going to premium like yung may mga digital displays. Deepcool is also the first to introduce that air cooler with the digital display, ang galing. And also the AIO nandito na sa Pilipinas and you can have it from official stores ng Deepcool. Apart from those, ang dami rin nating kababayang Pilipino na nagtatrabaho sa Deepcool factory. So maganda rin siyang dahilan natin kasi syempre pag sinusuportahan natin yung brand, syempre marami rin tayong kababayang Pilipino ang nakikinabang. Syempre hanggat nandyan at nag-ooperate ang Deepcool, marami ring kababayan natin ang OFWs ang napapadalahan ang kanilang mga pamilya at nasusustentohan ang kanilang mga pamilya dito sa Pilipinas. Yun lang naman. It's a bit more, not so technical recommendation. Sorry. Pero, syempre, ako kasi yung tipo ng tao din na very, I think that's also reasonable for me to support a brand. Malaki din siyang factor for me, of course. And ayun nga po, salamat sa inyong lahat. Salamat sa channel na to. Salamat sa lahat na nagpo-follow. And I'm so, medyo nahihiya na nga ako kasi medyo yung mga naging uploads natin recently, providing tips and etc., updates, naging matumal dahil nga rin sa situation. Nakita nyo naman siguro yung mga previous videos ko. I still did try my best to do it, pero I'm at a different location. Right now, I'm here. I will still try na gumawa. That's it guys. Thank you for your support and for more videos like this, feel free to subscribe.